Ni Ikinya riria riukite na gikeno thutha wa Aikari ituura ria Ngungo Mavuria kaunti-ini ya Embu gukorwo mahingirwo njira iria mageraga kuuma mwaka wa 2016 undu rio cungiriirie thabari cia kuraya makienda gukinya kuria marathie.
The road became blocked because each had put a fence blocking the road, and the matter went to court, to the High Court of Kenya at Embu, and the court directed the regional surveyor to come and establish the boundaries.
Kuringana na minister wa migunda kaunti-ini ya Embu Josephat Kithumbu, thina uyu umanire na njukaniriro gatagati ka andu eri a nyumba imwe macungiririo magikira rugiri na kuhinga barabara ino.
Because each of the parties have been contesting and they tried the local mechanisms of solving their dispute, it was difficult. They went to the High Court. The High Court gave its directive. One of the things that cannot be disputed is each party have their land and there's a road in between. And nobody is disputing there is no road. So each party has encroached into the road and put up a fence. And both fences are standing in the center of the road.
Ningi Kithumbu ni augite Aikari mwena uyu makoretwo makinyamarika na kurigicuka thabari ndaya, akiuga riu mari na gitumi gia gukena thutha wa ihinda ria hakuhi miaka 3.
We gave them enough notice. We had a round table meeting in my office together with the regional surveyor, and we gave them the date when we were coming, and we are grateful to the Ministry of Interior. They provided the security.
Kwa ihinda riri thirikari ya kaunti ino ni irigirirwo gukorwo igiaka werũ barabara ino niguo kuhotithia ngari na athii kumigerera na uhuthu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.